This Adobe Photoshop tutorial will show you how to remove red eyes from photographs. So let's get started. In our example photograph here, you can tell that the girl has a extreme case of red eye. We're going to remove this using Adobe Photoshop's built-in tools. First, you may need to zoom in to a workable level. So select your zoom tool and either zoom in or zoom out until you have the eyes in front of you. Next, you want to create a new layer, and then go to your marquee tool, click it, and select the elliptical marquee. Draw an ellipse around the red portion of the eye. It doesn't have to be perfect, but try to get as close as possible. If you don't feel that you got a good enough ellipse, click anywhere and do it again. Next, go to your foreground color by double-clicking it and making sure it's on white. Take your paint bucket tool and fill in the ellipse you made. If you're working with more than one eye, like we are in this picture, create a second ellipse around the second eye. Again, fill it with white as the foreground color. Now, deselect all. Next, go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. The radius, make sure you have 1.0 pixels. Click OK. And finally, go to your layer type for the layer with the two elliptical drawings and change it from normal to saturation. As you can tell, that just made a huge difference. Now if we were to zoom out, the red eye is all but gone. Let's view the original photograph. As you can tell, the red eye is pretty prominent. But with our corrections visible once again, the red eye is gone. So this has been an Adobe Photoshop tutorial on how removing red eye from your photographs.